Hi everybody, we are going to start our review. Remember, all these videos are due on Thursday, November 8th. So we are looking at this thing, and it says 5x to the third plus 4. So what is the variable? Variable is any letter. So I only see one letter there, that's the x, right? That's the variable. Here, let me straighten that out. Okay, x is the variable. What is the coefficient? Well, you need to know what the variable is to know what the coefficient is. Coefficient is the number in front of a variable. So what's in front of the variable? That 5. What is the exponent? That's a number that's the power. Whatever number you see floating above the variable, that's the exponent. So that's a 3. So here, let me just show you. 2 goes to there. That 5. The variable is x, and the exponent is 3. Okay? And what is the constant? 4. Okay, any number that you see without any variable next to it, that's a constant. Then, is this an equation or an expression? How do you know? Well, think of these. This is what you need to look at if you want to know whether something is an equation. The first 3 letters, they're the same as equals. So I don't see an equal sign there, right? It's just 5x to the third plus 4. So there's no equal sign. So I know because there's no equal sign that this is an expression. Okay. And how do I know? Because there is no equals sign. Okay. Let's do these nice and quick. So number 1 says negative 5 plus 8. Okay, so you got $8, but you owed your friend 5. So we can think of this as 8 minus 5, which is 3. Okay, 4 minus 10. Well, people would say 10 minus 4 is 6, but when we change the order, we have to make it negative. So 10 minus 4 equals 6, but 4 minus 10 is going to be negative 6. Okay, negative 6 minus negative 10. That is the same as negative 6 plus 10. And sort of like the one above, you could think about that as 10 minus 6, so that's 4. Alright, 7 plus negative 12. That is 7 minus 12. Okay, 12 is bigger than 7, so we're going to have a negative. It's 5 bigger than 7. Okay, so those are the addition and subtraction. Now remember, there's no rule there. However, we do have a rule when we are doing multiplication and division. So 8 times 4, well, that's something we're familiar with. That's 32. 9 times negative 5. Well, I know 9 times 5 is 45. And if one of them is negative, then 5 is negative. That means I need to put a negative in front. Okay, negative 4 times negative 4. Well, 4 times 4 is 16. Now I have 2 negative signs. So if I'm multiplying a negative by a negative, my answer is positive. So I'm just going to keep that 16 there. 81, negative 81 divided by 9. Well, 81 divided by 9 is 9. And we have a negative divided by a positive. So when the signs are different, our answer is negative. Okay, translate the following. 17. So 17x minus 5 equals 10. So I'm going to write 17 times x minus 5 equals 10. Okay? This is really important because this is how you can figure out inverse operations by knowing what operations have happened. Okay, when we multiply or divide two negative numbers, the answer will be positive. Okay, you can look at number 7. Okay, see what happened in number 7. When we multiply or divide a negative number and a positive number, the answer will be negative. Okay, negative and a positive, the answer will be negative. So let's look. We have 6 and 8. Number 6 and number 8. Alright? When the signs are different, the answer is negative. When we multiply or divide two positive numbers, the answer will be... Well, you've done that before. You've done with all positive numbers your whole life. So that is positive. Okay, and if you want an example, look at number 5. Right? 8 times 4 was 32. Positive 32. Okay, well, hopefully that was really easy for you. If you have any questions, come and see us. Thank you very much.